All right, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to pass a $50,000 evaluation in less than 20 trading days. Hang with me, we'll be right back. All right, my name is Alex Payne, and for those of you who don't know me, I am with Level X Trade, and this channel is exclusively to share some ideas for you to be able to take advantage of the trading marketing and be able to make money online with day trading and also other things. So for those of you who don't know what an evaluation is, or eval, or prop firms, I'm just going to go over really quick. Basically, an evaluation is a test that you have to take in order to get access to capital. So there are some prop firms that will basically have you take an eval, and you have to basically show them that you can trade with their capital. You pay a fee in order to take the test. Once you pass the test, obviously fulfilling all the rules and the targets they have for you, then you have access to the certain amount of money to be able to trade. And whatever money you make off of the capital that they give you to trade, then 90% of that is yours. And so this is basically the first phase. For those of you who don't know what a prop firm is, I do have a video in this channel. Make sure to hit subscribe and also check out the other video. But the company that I chose to start with was My Funded Futures. I have been funded with them in the past. I've made videos as well, showing how I passed and got payouts and so forth. But this year in particular, I decided that I wanted to take things a little bit slower and show that with good discipline, money management, you can achieve basically hitting your target and passing these evals. So I started out with one account, then I also am copying into two other accounts, but we won't go into that right now because I started those later. So one is halfway there, the other one is about break even. So, all right, so the My Funded Futures, if you want to get more information, what you're going to do is visit the link below in the description of this video. You can also join my Discord group where I teach you how to day trade and what I do on a daily basis. So you can just click my link and get a discount with My Funded Futures, adding LXT in the promo code. Okay, so to start out, you go to the start challenge, and basically you can pick whatever it is, the size that you want to take the evaluation. For instance, this one that I tried and passed is the starter. Okay, it's $97 with my discount. You can get a few dollars off of it. But basically, the goal is you have your target profit, which is $3,000, and you cannot lose a total of $2,500. Okay, once you hit the $3,000, then you have access to the $50,000 account, and then you start trading that, and whatever money that you make off of the $50,000 account, 90% of that money is yours. $97 a month, it's a no-brainer. Rather than you risking your own capital and run the risk of losing way more money than that, you can take an evaluation, even if it takes more than 1 month. All you're spending is $97. Once you pass it, then you have access to that capital. Okay, so let's go over the stats on this evaluation. Okay, so I want to start right here first. You can see I had all green days. Some days were pretty rough. As you can see, I ended with only $80, but I had 32 trades. Okay, now mind you that all these trades are not necessarily one trade and I waited and then I took another one, but it was added trades as I went. Okay, so if I placed the trade and it was going in my direction, I added positions into the trade, and it also accounts for the amount of trades. Okay, in this day here, I believe it was a Monday with low liquidity. Oh, it's the 20th, the presidential inauguration. So it was half a day. I only took one small trade because the market it was open until 9:30. It was just the European, the London session that was open, and I chose just to take a small little trade just to to say that I placed a trade. So it was a $33 win and I was done for the day. And you can see here that I started out pretty aggressive. I only took 11 trades, but I went a bigger size. I made 700 bucks, then $600 here. And then I started just taking it easy, and I decided to just be more realistic. Okay, so if you take this as my goal for the day is to make $200 and walk away, you will, and obviously I have like a $300 stop loss for the day, that if I hit that amount, then I'm done. But I was taking smaller trades. I was barely at into losing money in the red. Okay, so basically it was a total of 14, 15, 16, 17 trading days, and I passed it. Okay, this actually should have been on this day here, but not. Yeah. So, anyways, so going back here, what I want to show you is that best trade was $500. Worst was my worst trade. I lost 198. My win rate is a little bit less than 70%. So you can see that you don't have to have a 100% win rate, and you're going to have losing trades. The idea is to minimize those those losses. Okay, but I want to just scroll down here. As you can see, I had a $17 loss, a $10, 80, and my biggest loss, it was 150 some dollars, but you can see it was 172. This was my biggest loss, but for the most part, I tried to stay within that. Okay. And all I was doing, for those of you who want to know, okay, what did you do? I do share my strategy, or I have a full course, a full series that you can go through in this channel to learn how to trade futures, especially using prop firms. But what I was doing is using those components and scalping, taking more trades, risking only 50 bucks to make 50, sometimes 100, sometimes even more. And then I scaled into the trades. Okay. And if I saw that the trade was going to reverse on me, I quickly put to break even to protect my capital. And I wanted to just be consistent, hitting at $200. If I was close to $200, I was good. What I wanted to do is just show that I can trade with discipline and consistency, not having those huge swing days that I make $1,000, $1,500 to pass the account and then blow or hit the max stop loss and so forth. I wanted just to be consistent. Now, obviously, I'm going to use other risk management strategies to pass these accounts quicker, but I want to do this because I want to release a series on a challenge on how to pass these accounts fast and then get to making $5,000 on a monthly basis. I'm going to teach you how to do that, $5,000 on a monthly basis, and then scale that to $10,000 a month and so forth. Because once you have this one account connected, or one account pass, and you start working on the other ones to pass, imagine making $100 over 10 accounts connected, copy trading into those, or even $200 into 10 accounts. That can be a lot of freaking money. Okay, but again, there's a lot to it. So we just passed this yesterday, and I received my email. I'm going to show you here. Hi, congratulations, you have passed your evaluation, and that's the number and so forth, and they'll get me a live account within 24 to 48 hours, and then I'll start trading that. Okay, so there you go. Very happy and proud to say that I did hit. I wanted to pass it before the 1 month to say, hey, I passed it without having to renew. So I believe I paid $80 for this eval because it was a promo, and they increased the price now to $97. But with my code, you can get a little discount on that. But eventually, if you look at it, you're spending $100, then now you have access to $50,000 capital. Now, if you consistently, if you know how to trade and you consistently place trades and you're profitable, it's a money-making machine. As long as you don't hit the $2,500 stop loss, max stop loss, you have this to be able to generate an income. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was a very helpful video to you. If you have any questions, please leave your comments or questions in the comment section. Also, make sure to join our free Discord community. The link is going to be in the description, and I'll catch you soon.